Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm going to teach you how to make curve in the polyline in custom tile. Okay, custom tile here. Make curve lah, or if you draw polyline. Okay, so simple. You just come to draw area. Okay, click the polyline. First, you draw something here lah, or something first. Right click, right click. Now this one is a polyline, so you click here, right click, transform to area first lah. Then if you want to make it as a curve, you click on the line. Okay, click on the line, right click. So you see transform art. So you can make this one as a curve, or you want to split it also can. Let's say here, split it. Okay, then you make this one as a curve. Okay, this one as a curve. This one as a curve. Also can, guys. So just simple as that. Then you drag the tiles. Okay, so you can make a lot of pattern. Just click on the line. Okay, right click. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.